66 million years ago, Earth looked completely different from the world we know today. Dinosaurs ruled every corner of the planet, from forests to deserts and coastlines. Some were as tall as buildings, while others were no bigger than a chicken. Life seemed unstoppable, and nothing hinted that disaster was approaching. But far beyond Earth, a silent traveler was already on its way. The asteroid had been drifting through space for millions of years. It was roughly 12 kilometers wide, larger than many cities today. At first, nobody on Earth could see the danger coming. Then one day, a strange bright object appeared overhead. The final day of the dinosaurs had begun. The asteroid raced toward Earth faster than a speeding bullet. As it entered the atmosphere, the sky lit up brighter than sunrise. Animals across the planet reacted to the strange light above. In only moments, the asteroid slammed into what is now Mexico. The collision released more energy than billions of atomic bombs. A gigantic crater instantly formed beneath the impact site. Rock, dust, and debris were launched high into the sky. Some fragments were thrown far beyond the atmosphere itself. The impact created earthquakes stronger than anything humans have experienced. Across continents, the planet trembled from the force of the collision. The destruction was only beginning. Giant shockwaves blasted outward faster than the speed of sound. Forests near the impact zone were flattened in seconds. Huge waves rose across ancient oceans. Some waves may have towered higher than skyscrapers. The sky filled with glowing fragments falling back to Earth. As the debris re-entered the atmosphere, it heated the air around the globe. Temperatures suddenly soared across vast regions. Wildfires ignited in forests thousands of kilometers away. The planet was becoming a world of fire. For many animals, survival became a desperate struggle. But an even greater threat was rising above them. Dust and ash from the impact began covering the atmosphere. Day by day, sunlight became weaker. The world slowly started to grow darker. Thick clouds of debris blocked the sun from reaching the surface. Temperatures began falling across the globe. Places that were once warm became surprisingly cold. Scientists call this period an impact winter, and it changed life on Earth forever. Without sunlight, plants struggled to survive. Forests that once thrived began to disappear. The food chain started to collapse. Plant-eating dinosaurs could no longer find enough food. Soon, predators faced the same problem. Ecosystems that had existed for millions of years were unraveling. Rivers, forests, and plains all felt the impact. Survival became harder with every passing week. Many species vanished forever. Earth was experiencing one of the greatest extinction events in history. In the end, around 75% of all species disappeared. The mighty dinosaurs were among the biggest victims. Creatures that had ruled Earth for over 100 million years were gone. Yet not every dinosaur vanished. Some of their descendants are still alive today. Every bird you see is part of the dinosaur family tree. But why did some animals survive when others did not? The answer lies in adaptability. Smaller animals often needed less food and fewer resources. During a global crisis, that made a huge difference. Some survivors could hide underground when conditions became deadly. Others sheltered inside caves and protected spaces. Many were able to eat a wider variety of foods. Flexibility became one of nature's greatest advantages. While dinosaurs disappeared, mammals began getting new opportunities. For millions of years, they had lived in the dinosaur shadow. Now the world was opening up for them. Slowly, mammals spread into new habitats. Over time, they evolved into many different forms. The extinction of dinosaurs changed the future forever. If the asteroid had missed Earth, history might have looked completely different. Dinosaurs could still be the dominant animals today. Mammals may never have become the rulers of the planet. And humans might never have appeared at all. One space rock changed the direction of life on Earth. But how do scientists know this story happened? The evidence is hidden deep inside Earth's rocks. Around the world, scientists discovered a thin, unusual layer of sediment. That layer marked the exact boundary between two eras. It was like a timestamp left behind by disaster. One of the biggest clues came from a rare element called iridium. Iridium is uncommon on Earth but far more common in asteroids. Scientists found unusually high amounts of it in the extinction layer. It was a powerful sign that something from space had struck Earth. Then came another incredible discovery. Buried beneath Mexico was a massive circular structure. This was the Chicxulub crater. The crater perfectly matched the timing of the extinction event. Piece by piece, the mystery was being solved. The evidence pointed to one extraordinary conclusion. A giant asteroid had changed the course of life on Earth. Yet the story does not end with extinction. From disaster came new opportunities for life. Nature slowly began rebuilding itself. Fresh forests eventually covered the land again. New species evolved to fill empty roles. Life proved far more resilient than anyone could have imagined. Of its darkest chapters. But scientists still continue searching for new clues today. Events happening far away can sometimes change everything here. One asteroid transformed the future of an entire planet. Yet life found a way to continue. Over millions of years, new species spread across the world. Oceans, forests, deserts, and mountains filled with life once again. The story of the dinosaurs became part of Earth's history. But its lessons are still relevant today. The fossils left behind are like messages from another world. They tell us about creatures that no human ever saw. They reveal ecosystems that vanished millions of years ago. The extinction of the dinosaurs was a tragedy for many species. But it also opened the door to a new chapter. Every ending can become the beginning of something new. That lesson can be found throughout Earth's history. Change has always been part of our planet's story. And the dinosaurs remain one of its most fascinating chapters. So the next time you see a bird, remember its incredible ancestry. You are looking at one of the last living branches of the dinosaur family tree. Their story survived one of the greatest disasters in Earth's history. And that survival changed the future of life forever. The day the dinosaurs died was also the day a new world began. From a single asteroid came consequences that lasted millions of years. Its effects can still be seen in the world around us today. Every fossil, every rock layer, and every discovery helps tell the story. The mystery may be ancient, but the search for answers continues. And it all began with the day the dinosaurs died.